The latest Honda Civic betters its practical predecessor in nearly every area. There are no diesel or hybrid powertrain options yet, but the two small-capacity petrol engines are efficient, powerful and refined, while an all-new platform makes the Civic much sweeter to drive. The Civic isn't as well built as some of its European rivals, nor is it as economical as the fuel-sipping Peugeot 308 or as fun to drive as the Vauxhall Astra. But it's practical, desirable and filled with kit, allowing this new British-built hatchback to finally take on the best cars in the hatchback class. Our choice: Honda Civic 1.0 129 PSI VTEC Turbo SR. The Honda Civic has an interesting history that some may call checkered, but there's no doubting the car that's been a Honda mainstay since 1972 is back with a bang. The 10th generation Civic hatchback for sale at dealers today offers a range of capabilities that make the 5-door family hatchback a genuine rival to the best in class. Over the years the Civic has grown from a diminutive runabout to a compact family hatch, creating the iconic Civic Type R performance brand along the way. In fact, the impressive hot hatch version is our 2017 Hot Hatch of the Year. While the performance model is built in Japan, the rest of the UK lineup is built at Honda's Swindon plant. Other world markets get our hatchback versions plus saloon and coupe models built in North America, but we are limited to the homegrown hatchback and there's no plan to replace the Civic Tour estate. The lack of choice of body styles is repeated when it comes to powertrains. There are only two engines available currently, both petrol units with Honda's signature variable valve timing tech known as VTEC, and offering 127 bhp or 180 bhp. They're 1.0-liter and 1.5-liter units respectively, and both come with a 6-speed manual gearbox and front-wheel drive only, although there's an optional CVT auto. A diesel engine option is on the way soon, but there is no hybrid or economy version currently in the mix.